Ever had your card declined at the worst possible moment, leaving you stranded? Traditional banks often let legitimate payments fail without offering short-term backup solutions. That creates awkward moments at checkout, missed purchases, and extra overdraft fees. Customers lose confidence, avoid using cards, and feel anxious about routine spending. A brief cash gap can quickly turn small plans into big inconveniences. Fifth Third built extra time to change this, a smarter safety buffer. Extra time prevents declined transactions by providing instant short-term payment coverage. When funds are low, extra time steps in instantly to authorize the payment at checkout. Coverage is temporary, targeted, and designed to handle everyday purchases seamlessly. That reduces declined transactions, avoids surprise fees, and keeps accounts in good standing. Customers feel more confident using their cards knowing Extra Time has their back. Enable Extra Time on your Fifth Third account and enjoy more reliable payments today.